Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're going to explore a little bit more about procedures and things in court. So Tina, looking at the initial appearance, let's say we're there, what can be achieved on an initial appearance with, let's say, a modification petition as it relates to custody?
Okay, if you watched our prior video about what can happen at an initial appearance, it's very similar. So there must be a reason why you're before the court. So this time, since there's already an existing court order, you can actually get into it a little bit more because the court will ask you, why are we here and what are you asking the court to do that's different from your current court order? Perhaps the judge or court attorney referee that you're before might want to explore that, have a conversation with the parties, with their attorneys. But again, it's all contingent on whether or not everybody has a lawyer. If people do not have lawyers at these initial appearances, the court will ask you, do you want a lawyer? Are you financially able to afford a lawyer? If you're not financially able to afford a lawyer, maybe you can qualify for a lawyer. And the court can then not make any orders if you want an attorney to represent you. They will then postpone that matter to be heard at a later date. That includes your children. The children will also need to have a lawyer present. So depending on what court you're in, the court may assign an attorney prior to that initial appearance, but you cannot guarantee that there'll be an attorney for your child at the initial appearance. So that's something to remember.
And if you're unsure about whether you qualify for a court-appointed attorney or not, please check back at our previous videos. We explain what kinds of cases qualify for assigned counsel and how to go about seeing if you would qualify for that assigned counsel. Just wanted to throw that out there as well. So until next time, this is Tina and Tim.